morning, students. In this math magic book, means this NCERT math, we have started this first one chapter. This chapter shapes and shape, and we have studied also some points. Then next one point is, you see in this first chapter, nearer and further. Nearer and further. Near means jawal and far means दूर. Then you see here. Next one point, nearer and further. You take the bird nearer to home. Here two birds. You see here two birds. And which bird is nearer to home? You see here, this bird is nearer to home. Then you tick here. Okay. Then next one figure you see here. This tick the cat further from the tree. Here cat, and which cat is here further from the tree? This one. Then you tick here. Next one picture, nearest and furthest. Nearest and furthest. You see here, furthest from the swing. Furthest from the swing, and this one nearest to the swing, and this one furthest from the swing. Then second one picture, see this here. Tick the puppy furthest from the tree. Here puppies. And you tick here which puppy is furthest from the tree. Here tree and here puppy. Then this puppy is furthest from the tree. Then you tick here. Next one picture, see. Tick the tree nearest to the bird. Here trees 1, 2, 3, and here one bird. Then this which tree is nearest to the bird? This first one. Then you tick here. Next point in this chapter, you see page number 8. On, under, above, below. On, under, above, below. You see here, above the table. Above means वर. Above means वर, and below means खाली. Here below the fan. And under the table, on the table. Table means table. On means टेबलावरती, and under means टेबला खाली. Then you see here picture. This cat here on the table, and here rat under the table, and this above the table, this fan, and below the fan, this boy. Then page number 9, you see here pictures. Which one is above, which one is below, which one is on, which one is under. You see this picture. Okay. Then next one. Next one point is here. Shapes around us. Shapes around us. Put the shapes in the pink and yellow boxes by drawing a line. Put the shapes in the pink and yellow boxes. Here one yellow box and one pink box. Then you put the shapes in the pink and yellow boxes by drawing a line. By drawing a line. You see here shapes given. One shape is here round in shape. This tomato, ball, balloon. Then one see here one shape is here cube type. Cube type here. Chalk box is here cube type. Match the similar shapes by drawing a line. Here this one box here cube. Then you match here this one shape, and here round this sphere. Then you match here this sphere. Then you match here chalk box, and here cube, and this match here. Next one, shorting. You shorting here this same things. See here, short shapes by joining with the similar shapes. You short here shapes by joining the similar shapes. First one you see here given cylinder. Then which one here cylinder type of this box. Then you this tin. Then you match here. Then next one cone. You see this cone. Here one ice cream cone, and here this birthday's cap. This also cone type. then you match here this cone, this birthday cone, and this uh, birthday's cap, and this one also cone, ice cream cone, then you match here. Then circle, you see here circle round in shape, this ball, orange, watermelon, balloon, then all these you match here. Then next one, see here this cube type of this one also box cube type, this box cube type, here one eraser, this also cube type, and this cylinder type, here one box, here one tin, here water bottle, this also cylinder type, here this shape, this also cylinder, here candle, this also cylinder, then all of these similar shapes you match here. Then next one, make pairs of these similar shapes, again you make here the pairs of these similar shapes. You see here ice cream cone and this one same, then you match here. Here cylinder type of this tank, and this one also bottle, this all same. Then here cone type of this also same. Then candle here, and this cell is same, this box and this box same. Here watermelon, this round in shape, here this tomato also round in shape, here eraser box, this cube type of this box and this box is same, then you match here. Next one point is rolling and sliding. Rolling means this type of this round in shape, rolling, and this sliding means flat in surface. You see here. Then you take the objects that will roll. Means curved surface, this roll, and this flat surface, this slide. Then you take the object that will roll. This first one, this ball, also roll type, then you tick here. Here this picture also roll type, then you tick here. Then next one, tick the objects that will slide. See here, this flat surface, this slide, tick here, this also tick here, and this flat surface, here also flat surface, this slide, then you tick here. Then next one point, you see here this wise grandmother. Here one story is given. You see, once there was a lamb going to see his grandmother. You know lamb means this puppy of sheep. Means here on the way through the jungle he met a wolf. On the way through the jungle, and he met a wolf. I am going to eat you. Then this wolf said, I am going to eat you. Please let me go. I am going to my grandmother, and you can eat my when I return. Okay, then you may go. Then he was about to return. He told the grandmother about this wolf. Then the grandmother gave him an idea. Go and hide yourself in a dollop. You go and you hide in this dollop. Then he did so. Then afterwards the grandmother rolled the dollop on the road. See here. This grandmother rolled this dollop on the road. The lamb saw the wolf waiting for him. Did you see a lamb coming this way? Then did you see a lamb coming this way? No. Then the wolf grew suspicious and started running behind the dollop. Then before the wolf could catch him, the lamb reached home and was thankful to his grandmother. Then before the wolf could catch him, the lamb reached home and he was thankful to his grandmother. Then here some points remain in this first chapter. Shapes, match the similar shapes, Then this one tomorrow we will study. Okay, bye.